What we have is a Maytag electric oven, and the customer complaint is that there was an error code that was displayed. At this point they had unplugged it, plugged it back in. The error code is no longer visible, so we're going to try to retrieve the last stored error code that this displayed. So to pull that up, we're going to hit cancel, cancel, start. That's going to put us into a diagnostic mode. You've got 3 and 9 are your up and down arrows. Some ovens will actually have an up and down arrow for temperature, but on this one it's going to be 3. So we're going to scroll through until we get to false. And once you get there, it's going to tell you what to do. Press start to enter. Press start, and you press 3. And there's our last error code, which is an F1E0. And that is an EEPROM error. So that is a control board error. So what we're going to do is replace the main control board. To replace this, we're going to have to get access to the rear. We're going to go ahead and pull the unit out. We're just going to be removing the back panel here. This is actually where the tech sheet is normally located if you ever did need to access the tech sheet. Sort of have to lift up on the bottom to flex it out on the lip. Slide out. Okay, well, we just got the 2 screws that are going to be holding the board in. Gonna disconnect the ribbon cable for the touchpad. It's got just a little tab right there that you press in and wiggle out. That'll get you access to your screw on this side. I'm just going to go ahead and kind of drop that away for now. And we're going to mount our new control board up into position. Alright, we've got our new control board here. We're just going to go ahead and mount this up into place. That way we can just take the connectors one by one and switch them over. They are labeled on the board. If for some reason you did get mixed up, white, red, blue. So it really would be tough to get it mixed up. We got it mounted up in there. Okay, we've got our connectors here. Go ahead and pull them off. Yeah, so they're actually tabbed. So you couldn't put these in the wrong spot because they've all got the
everybody in town, like, got to tell them in 1970 to 79, all of them were the same firing order. No matter what, same firing order.
You just take all your connectors off. There's our old board.
Same thing for Google. Popped up with the same one that
Plug all your connectors in. Give them a double check. Got your ribbon cable for the touchpad. Make sure that's secured. And at this point, you're just going to be putting the back panel back on and back in business. Alright, we're going to go put the back panel on. Flex the bottom up, pop that into place. Okay, we're going to just go ahead and plug it back in and test operation, and that's going to complete the repair. Just going to go ahead and plug the unit back in. Just go ahead and slide the unit back into place. This has an anti-tip device installed, so the leg just slides right up underneath it. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set our clock. Just hit the clock button there, and it says press 3 for AM or 6 for PM. It is PM right now. And it is 5:50. And you just press start. And the clock is set. And go ahead and hit the bake. Started at 3:50. Okay, everything is working properly. All of our buttons are working. We've got no errors, so that's going to complete the repair.